Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today, I'm riding solo. My baby's not with me. But we're going to go to Little Cheswick, and I'm just going to drive through. It's an old neighborhood. There may be a little new construction here and there, but basically it's old stuff. But it's old-time Jamaica. This is in St. Thomas. It's called Little Cheswick. And away we go. See what you see and see if you like it as much as me. Okay, people. We're off. Well, right away, I love the flowers I see in front of me. Oh, there's some construction going on there. Oh, that's going to be real nice. Yes, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, that's that dogwood that Madge was telling me about. Or not dogwood, logwood. Oh, somebody's gonna build here, it looks like. See that, people? I gotta watch the road real careful here because, as you can see, there might be some places where I could get slices and punctures and such. Well, a little shop there, but it looks to be closed right now. It's a big home there. Hello. Just taking pictures of houses today. Yeah, blessings. Yeah. Oh, look at the trees. There's a ackee tree. The next ackee. No, what's that? Is that ackee? Yeah, that's ackee. They're real skinny ackees. Never seen anything quite like that. That's a pretty old wall with real rocks. A few goats by the side of the road. And I don't know how to get to those houses over there. Maybe you walk across or something. I don't know, but it's just very rural, very, out of the way. Here's just an old packed stone wall here, see? Just packed. And those with the pointy on them are called the hibiscus. And then there's some other kind of flower that looks like that might be my favorite bougainvillea. And there's some, I don't know what those are. Huh. Well, oh, that's it. Somebody's gonna have a real nice home there. So you see a lot of new stuff going in. See lots of nice new stuff going in. That looks like that's going to be, oh, now that's a ponciana that's going to be yellow. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, see, there's the kind of ponciana like we normally see. But here's one that's yellow. Isn't that something, people? Isn't that something? Okay. Little Cheswick we're in. Little Cheswick we're in. One of my commenters made a comment that they said I laugh a lot when I'm in the rural part of the country, and I don't laugh so much when I'm in the city. And they thought I was making fun of it when I laugh. Well, trust me, people, this is where I live. This is not what I'm not laughing at this. If I'm laughing, it's because I see something beautiful, and it's my way of expressing my joy and exuberance over seeing something that just, nearly takes my breath away. So Don't mistake my laughter for laughing at something. It's my way of expressing my exuberance. So I'm not laughing at. It's not racist. Don't try to say I'm racist when I laugh. That's pure foolishness. So that man's blocked from making any more comments, but that wasn't the first time he said something like that. So anyway, just wanted to get that out there. I don't know why that came to my head. Maybe because some of the houses are a little bit, you know, more run down. Oh, here's a little wood shop. Okay, hello. Okay, we got a wood shop here. Oh, nice. Well, I didn't know about that. Oh, you can see the ocean from here, people. You see that? In the distance. In the distance, we see the ocean. Okay. Oh, now this looks like this is a shop here. Yeah, somebody got a shop. Oh, a nice house there. Somebody building a nice house up there. Nice big wall. Yeah. Ocean, ocean, ocean. Yes, sir. Hey, hey, what's going on? Yeah? Respect, brother. Love, one love. Respect, big up, bless up. Enough respect. Everything. Blessings. See, this is Jamaica. Where in America you gonna drive around and just people? Well, I ain't putting down America, okay? Because if I was in my hometown, little town, then people would probably be stopping me and saying hi. So that's what I love about rural Jamaica. You know, I grew up in a little town. And rural Jamaica, you got lots of little towns and people like that. They just, you know, friendly. Friendly. Give you the shirt off their back if they have one. Give you the shoes off their feet if they got shoes. So, these are my people. My kind of people. My people, my kind of people. Both ways. Both ways. I got my camera set a little bit higher today, so hopefully it doesn't overheat. But one thing about this higher setting, I'm kind of halfway hoping. Maybe I can zoom in a little better on things, but we'll see. We shall see. Oh, they fenced this off down here. I used to go on this road some on my motorcycle and such. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. I'm just taking videos of the housing, the ocean, all the beautiful things. Huh? I don't know. I just live here same as you. I don't know nothing about that. You don't live nowhere? You live where? You got... Okay. We just got one room, one bedroom house, you know. That's all we got. Huh? But my wife's already in there, so what's she gonna say? Bless up, respect, ladies. Oh boy. Well, that was an interesting encounter. They thought maybe we were going to build a house up here, make a development. Sometimes people think I might be in the development business, you know. Oh, there's a nice house behind. Well, I'll have to catch it on the way back. I have to catch it on the way back. Because this is a dead end up here, people. Look at the views, people. Look at the views. Wow, I better get my camera up so you can see these views. This house over to my left, look at how they've got a nice view off their circular room on the end of the house there, you know. Oh, so nice, so nice, so nice. Now I think this man here, maybe we know him. He's come down and talked to us when we've been on walks and stuff before. He's a real friendly man. Or maybe it's this. No, it must be that one. Must be that. No. Well, it might be there actually. That almost looks like his woman, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Because I don't normally see it from this side, you know. I normally see this from when we're walking down in the valley, on the down in the direction that I'm pointing the camera right now, is usually what we see. So, oh, somebody's putting a house in here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's going to have a nice view, too. Look at that, people. Look at that view they're going to have. Right across there. Very nice. Very nice. Good morning. I got a camera going. Is it all right if you're on camera? Would you rather not?
Yes, sir.
I got a camera.
Yeah, well, what are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm taking pictures. But you're not in the camera right now. See?
So, what, go on?
What, go on?
You remember me?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
I see you all the time over there.
Over where?
Over where I live.
Come on, yeah, too.
Yes.
I'll send you some jelly.
Uh-huh. Can I put you on the camera?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
No problem with that, man.
Uh,
And the panga nut tree, you know, me sell them, man. Remember me give you panga?
yes.
Yeah, man.
You're the ponga nut man.
Yes, man.
Man, you're still looking for a red one, you know.
Yeah, me still. Me have a sucker, man. Yeah, but that's why I'm so busy.
Yeah.
So me have a sucker here.
Yeah. Somebody's going to have a nice house next door to you.
No?
Somebody's going to build a house next door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're going to have a nice view, same as you.
Yeah, not me. Me want a nice one too.
Yeah. Well, but you got a good view.
Yes, but I need a good house.
Well, but you know, sometimes you only can get half.
Yes, man, no problem.
Yeah. See, I can't see nothing from my house. It's too flat, you know.
Yeah, true.
Down in the gully.
So here, if I go up there, I can see the sea.
If you don't have to walk far.
No.
Yeah.
I'm near.
Yeah. I saw some ladies on the road down here.
Down there.
They were walking down, and the one said she wanted me to build her a house.
Yeah.
I said, I said, what for? Don't you got a house? She says,
like
no.
That. Just like that.
Yeah, and I said, well, I just got one little house just like everybody else.
Yes.
You know? And then she said, well, I can come there.
Yeah.
And I said, but what's my wife going to say?
Yeah. Your wife going to leave you?
Yeah, then she started laughing.
Yeah, man, if you do that, your wife leave you.
Oh, yeah. So, and I love my wife too much. I don't want her to leave me, you know?
Do nothing to her. True.
Ah.
Yeah, man.
So.
Just coming out from the bush, you know, cut some posts.
Oh, yeah?
Plant. To plant the posts.
Oh, yeah, the post. Oh, yeah, I see you got one there. Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm making a pen, wood pen.
A goat pen.
Yeah,
Okay.
So I put the posts and we're on the road. I need a transport to go for them, you know.
Yeah.
Need a vehicle.
Yeah?
Go for them.
Okay. There's some guy rents a pickup around here where you can get a big load. Big load.
Yes, that's the money them a charge.
Oh, I know. I had him load about, I don't know, maybe 10 barrels of sand for me one time.
Yeah?
My God, I think I paid him $20,000 for 10 barrels of sand. I could have.
That's your right. You have to try to have your one vehicle, yeah.
You know? So the next time I did, but I carried the barrels one bucket at a time.
Yes.
It takes a lot of buckets to make a barrel.
Yeah.
You don't know till you do it. It's about 6 buckets for a barrel?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think I could get 5 in here. 5 buckets. Yeah. So I had to make a lot of trips to get 5. All right, brother.
Yeah, man.
Bless up. Take it up. Yeah, respect.
Yeah, man.
All right, that's my pension. That's my pimento. Not my pimento. My pomegranate. My pomegranate man. That's Maisie's pomegranate man. I knew he looked familiar, but I couldn't, you know. My memory's not that good, people. It's not that good. So anyway. Oh, it looks like somebody's got keeping bees over here. Yeah. Oh, we got a little shop here. We got picnic in front of the shop, so I can't take a picture of it right now. So maybe when I come back, I'll be able to show you all the shop. Oh, there's a banana. Or no, that's plantain. But they're just brand new. I think it's plantain. All right, I'll have to see here what go on. Good evening. I'm working on YouTube, you know. So red button journal, but I don't have it pointed towards you if you don't want it towards you. You want to be on the camera?
Oh, you want to be on camera? Like that?
No, I can point it right through here.
Oh.
Yeah, but I don't want to do it if you say no.
What's it video about?
It's about Little Cheswick.
Little Cheswick. Oh.
Because guess where we're at?
Little Cheswick.
Yeah! You want to look on it? You want to be on it?
Oh, will I go up on the YouTube video?
Yeah, you'll be on the video.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi viewers, this is Little Cheswick.
This is Little Cheswick.
We are people of Little.
You're the Little Cheswick people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, are there big people in Little Cheswick?
Yeah. Yeah, busy. They're just busy.
Okay, but you're the youth. You guys go to, how are you guys still in school or are you going?
We finished school 1 year, but we are going back.
Okay, you're going to go to do a little college? Or sixth form or what?
The college part, no, can't really something about the college.
Yeah.
But we go back to school, I go work.
Yeah.
I look job kind of hard to get now.
Let's you and me be on the camera. Oh, he took off. You don't want to be on the camera? I'll just leave you guys. Okay.
Yeah.
You know I'm going to make you a subscriber. You know that.
Yeah, be a subscriber.
All right. You're subscribed now. Here, let me. There you go, brother.
Yeah, we'll watch it later.
Yeah. This will be on there. I'll leave you guys on there. But he won't be on there because he's too bashful. That's okay. Sometimes my wife is bashful too, so not even my wife will be on the YouTube with me sometimes.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's okay. All right, I guess this is the end of the road unless I got four-wheel drive. See, this is the typical countryside, you know, because look how the youth are so friendly, you know. I don't know, it's just, you know, it's a different world. There's some logwood I got to take a picture of above your heads here. See that logwood? That's what my wife said her dad called that that one right behind you.
What is?
Yeah.
But Jamaica we call it maca tree.
Maca tree?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go tell her that. We used to call cane grass, we used to call the guinea grass cane grass till today we found out we were saying it wrong. We call it cane grass, but it's guinea grass, you know. Every day, even at my old age, I still learn every day, you understand?
Yeah.
So I'm not afraid to learn new things. Look at the views, look at the views. All right, we're gonna see if we can be on YouTube here. Hello.
Hello.
I'm doing YouTube. Can I take a picture of your shop from the road?
You can take a picture of the shop.
I can or can't?
Yeah, man, you can.
Okay, how about the young lady here? She gonna move along, okay. Okay. What's the name of your shop? You got a name for it?
Yeah, man. Cutie's shop.
Cutie's shop.
Yes.
Okay. Are you Cutie?
Yes, I'm Cutie.
Not pleased to meet you. I'm Tom.
Okay.
And my wife is Madge.
Okay. Say hi to Mom.
I certainly will.
Bye.
Blessings. Okay, people. See, just look at some of the pretties. Okay, that's a maca tree. I gotta talk to Madge about that. Oh, there's a little footpath there. Oh, I'm past it already, so. Yeah, it looks like somebody got some bees right there. See that? That looks like a super. They call that a super for bees. We'll go up and talk to these men about this. We shall go talk to them. Yes, sir. We'll ask this man here about the bees. No fake friend. I like the sign over here. It says no fake friend.
Yeah, no fake friend.
Now somebody down here got a bee. Looks like a bee super for bees.
Yeah.
Back over there, he keeps bees. Okay. Oh yeah. Up here or down in Delby? Right across from the supers where I saw it. Okay. Okay, I gotta tell Madge because she may want to come over here, you know, and buy honey because people say it's best if you buy the honey. It's very close to where you live because some of the nutrients in it will keep you healthy if it's near where you live. Yeah. So. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Yeah. Blessings. Have a good day. Okay. Well, this is being quite the interesting video, you know? Quite the interesting video. Okay, people. Oh, there's one of those cactuses that Madge always, whenever she spots one, she always wants to talk how cool they are. And they are interesting, how right here basically in the rainforest, almost, you're going to have cactus. I'll have to ask Madge. Maybe I'm mistaken on which one she meant was the logwood. Hello. Blessings. I'm doing a little YouTube. That okay? Yeah? All right. Blessings. There's a dog found a shade tree. I don't know if you can see him at the top of my camera or not. Better gear down for this steep hill. Woo! Yeah, there's another little shop over there and back there. Lots of little shops, you know. Okay. Oh, see the John Crow over there? There's several John Crow. Must be something dead over there. Dead goat or something. I don't see him jumping up anymore. I'm not gonna walk over there, believe me. I'm not gonna walk over there. Well, that was a fun little trip. that was a really fun little trip. I'm glad that you all joined me on it. I am really glad that you all joined me on my fun little trip. So we're gonna make sure we've seen everything here that there is to see, and then we'll wrap it up here in just a minute. So bear with us and see if there's any more we want to take a look at. Take one last view of the, oh, see the barge way out there. Can you all see that? Yeah. Let me make sure it's in the viewfinder. Yeah, it surely must be. It's so far I don't think you can even see it out there. But I might try to zoom in. It looks blue just like the ocean. It does. The only thing is it's just not straight across like the ocean. But it's going around Mort Point, which is the way I'm pointing right now, and it takes a signal from there and then goes back around to Kingston. It's going to Kingston because it's going on the south side of the island. That's the south side, is where you're seeing the ocean there. Okay, oh, that's a pretty tree. I don't know what's pretty about it, just because I guess it's tall. I like tall trees. Something about them seems special. How they fight for their right to the sunlight. Ooh, that's kind of cool. What a sight. How they fight for the sunlight. It's their right. And a man walking with something balanced on his head. That's real typical for Jamaica. Yeah, see? I got a video, it's been a while. You might have to go back a year or so. There's a man by the name of Freddie. I'm not sure if Freddie passed or just had I know he had a stroke, but I don't remember if he passed or not. It seemed like maybe he did. Not just too long ago at all. But anyway, boy, he could carry stuff on his head without his hands, big, long pieces of tree and all kinds of something. Well, you know, it was something to watch. I got a video of it. So, anyway, we've reached the end of Little Cheswick. And so we're going to wrap this up. Let me just bring this in. People, thanks for joining us. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Be sure and like, comment, share, and subscribe to Red Button Journal for more of great adventures in Jamaica, just like this one. Oh, and hopefully the next one we do, we'll be able to have Madge. She just sometimes can't always make it with me because she's got other things going on. So, later.